So this one, guys, is a Mince chicken, 300 grams, 1 egg, shredded garlic, coriander leaves and stem, red onion, and shredded 1 carrot. This one, 2 pieces of bread only. I make it blend. This one, using this one. So salt, black pepper. I'll put garam masala, guys, and oregano. So I'm making the chicken pate. So I have to mix all this together. Alright? Very simple. Put the carrot, onion, this coriander, garlic, and salt. And that one, just a pinch, then egg later. Then this one, you can put slowly. So here are all the mix, guys. I put, then I add in this breadcrumbs. I make by my own, this breadcrumbs. 2 slices of bread only, you just mix. Okay, then you have to mix it up. I'll mix it up first. Okay, here's the one. Later I will make a round one and just not fry, like a saute with the butter upside down.
Today we are making the hamburger with the salad. So do you want to try, guys?
So this is the pate, guys. Later we make the salad.
Yeah.
Together with this one.
Yep, of course.
Okay, now we're make it hot, the butter, then saute it.
Yeah.
Show you later. So here's the butter. So here, guys. Okay, just slow the fire. I put I think my butter is a bit too much, so I don't want that pate will stick on the pan. So there we go. So here, guys, just slow the fire, guys. Make it sure everything will be well done. I don't like the meat. It's not a halfway cook. I like to be well done. This is my daughter request.
Yeah, of course. Because I like it. Later my mother will send it to the YouTube. So guys, do you like it? It's already fried and so hot, but don't go near it, guys, because it'll burn you. Later you'll get crying.
Okay. So guys, this is a chicken pate. So very simple.
I already
Then we
thought.
just make that salad, and actually we don't have bread for this, so I cook the vegetable pasta.
I didn't do the password.
So
I
that's
just did
it.
these like that.
Enjoy. Hope you like it. My chicken pate. Yan.